Hey guys! In this video we are going to be checking out of the top 10 best camera drones. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I have listed them based on quality, price and durability. Subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos and click the bell icon button. Don't forget to check out the description for more products information. If you don't have time to watch the full video, check out links in the description for full information. Do you know? A drone, also known as a quadcopter or multicopter, has 4 or more propellers, which provide vertical lift from each corner, and an onboard processor which keeps the machine broadly level. Want to take amazing videos and photos? If so, then camera drones are the way to go. They are easy to fly and come in all kinds of shapes and sizes. They also have lots of technology that make them intelligent. If you have never seen a drone before, or maybe you are buying for someone else and have a tight budget, this is the best place to start. They are cheap, easy to fly and super fun. Now the question is, what is the camera drones to choose? There are many different brands with many different models, and you also need to consider plenty of other factors too. So I have put together some of the best camera drones from what is available and reviewed them. These best drones are handy, comfortable, durable and powerful with a lot of convenience. We recommend you to watch the full video till end. We will give you the idea which camera drones you should buy. Let's start. At number 10 is unique Typhoon H+. Meet the second generation of Typhoon H, a hexacopter even more powerful than before. Creatives will benefit from a new 1-inch sensor camera capable of 4K 60 frames per second video and 20 megapixel stills. An all-new, larger, quieter 6-rotor airframe provides stability in winds in excess of 30 miles per hour. Other drones force you to choose between image quality or flight stability, but the Typhoon H+ gives you both. The C23 1-inch sensor camera allows users to capture imagery in captivating detail. Boasting an improved low-light performance from previous models, the upgraded camera features larger aperture optics and an extended ISO range. The sensor provides exceptional dynamic range and improved signal-to-noise ratio. The camera is integrated with a 3-axis gimbal capable of continuous rotation for 360-degree image capture. At number 9 is OurTell Robotics Evo drone, orange. OurTell Robotics Evo offers a powerful camera on a 3-axis stabilized gimbal that records video at 4K resolution up to 60 frames per second and a recording speed up to 100 megabits per second. Using real glass optics, Evo captures stunning photos at 12 megapixels with a wide dynamic range for more details and color. Integrated advanced computer vision systems provide forward obstacle avoidance, rear obstacle detection and bottom sensors for more accurate landings and stable indoor flights. Evo boasts flight times up to 30 minutes with a range of 4.3 miles, 7 km. Additionally, Evo offers fail-safe features letting you know when the battery is low and it's time to return to home. Evo includes a remote controller which houses a 3.3-inch OLED screen providing you with critical flight information, or a live 720 pixels HD video feed letting you see the camera view without the need for a mobile device. At number 8 is PowerVision PowerI 4K camera. The PowerI professional aerial imaging system from PowerVision was designed with the photographer and videography alike in mind. It features the Panasonic Lumix G14mm ASPH lens and will work with an assortment of separately available Olympus lenses, including their 14 to 42mm zoom lens. In video mode, the camera captures with a DCI or UHD 4K, and it also takes still photos up to 16 megapixels. There are burst and time-lapse modes as well as single shot. Video and stills are recorded to a separately available micro SD card. This ready-to-fly bundle features 2 radio controllers, transmitters, 1 flight battery with charger, a base station, and a rolling transit case. At number 7 is Telo quadcopter drone. The DJI Telo quadcopter is designed to be a cute, fun, and educational quadcopter drone. Its tiny form factor and smart Intel processor enable it to perform exciting aerial tricks on a whim, all through smartphone control. At the front of the Telo is a camera capable of streaming 720 pixels video back to your smartphone and capturing 5 megapixel photos in flight. The intelligent flight processor can coordinate camera movements for some custom shooting angles. The vision positioning system uses a downward-facing camera to ensure stable hovering when desired. At number 6 is DJI Inspire 2 quadcopter with Cinema DNG. The Inspire 2 takes everything that was good about the Inspire 1 and improves it. The image processing system Cine Core 2.0 has been upgraded to Cine Core 2.1, recording video at up to 6K in Cinema DNG RAW and 5.2K in Apple ProRes when used with Zenmuse X7 camera. It goes from 0 to 50 miles per hour in just 5 seconds and hits a maximum speed of 58 miles per hour and has a max descent speed of 9 meters per second for unheard of speed and agility in an aircraft this size. A dual battery system prolongs the flight time to a maximum of 27 minutes, while self-heating technology allows it to fly even in low temperatures. Flight autonomy has been revised and developed specifically for the Inspire 2, providing 2 directions of obstacle avoidance and sensor redundancy. Increased intelligence adds multiple intelligent flight modes, including Spotlight Pro, giving even single pilots the ability to create complex, dramatic shots. An upgraded video transmission system is now capable of dual signal frequency and dual channel, streaming video from an onboard FPV camera and the main camera simultaneously, for better pilot and camera operator collaboration. At number 5 is DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0, White. The new Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 features an OcuSync HD transmission system, which supports automatic dual-frequency band switching and connects to DJI goggles wirelessly. Like the Phantom 4 Pro and Advanced, the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 is equipped with a 1-inch 20-megapixel sensor capable of shooting 4K 60 frames per second video and burst mode stills at 14 frames per second. Plus, its flight autonomy system includes dual rear vision sensors and infrared sensing systems for a total of 5 directions of obstacle sensing and 4 directions of obstacle avoidance. The Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 wirelessly connects to DJI goggles, putting you directly in the heart of the action with dual LTPS displays that offer a high-quality 1080 pixels live camera view with an 85-degree FOV. Connected via OcuSync, users can experience fast and clear first-person view flight with incredibly low latency. Plus, controlling your Phantom with DJI goggles is more intuitive than ever. Just enable head tracking, which allows you to move the aircraft or gimbal simply by turning your head. At number 4 is DJI Mavic Air quadcopter with remote controller. The Mavic Air quadcopter is the most portable DJI drone to house a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, with its angular vibration range reduced to 0.005 degree. Set in a triangular formation, gimbal dampeners help create even steadier shots. In addition to horizontal, vertical, and 180-degree panoramas, the Mavic Air stitches 25 photos together in just 8 seconds to create crystal-clear 32-megapixel sphere panoramas. The Mavic Air shoots video at an incredible 4K 30 frames per second, recording at 100 megabits per second to capture every second with UHD quality. With support for recording 1080 pixels 120 frames per second slow-motion video, the Mavic Air captures all your epic high-speed adventures. At number 3 is DJI Spark Mini Drone, Sunrise Yellow. Spark is a mini drone that features all of DJI's signature technologies, allowing you to seize the moment whenever you feel inspired. With intelligent flight control options, a mechanical gimbal, and a camera with incredible image quality, Spark empowers you to push your creative boundaries. Quick launch with Face Aware. Spark lifts off from your hand by recognizing your face. It takes off and hovers in place within seconds of powering on. Simple control: take amazing aerial photos using just hand gestures, without a remote controller or mobile device. Create with ease. Intelligent flight modes and intuitive controls help you create cinematic aerial videos with just a few taps. Edit and share. The DJI Go 4 app features automatic editing templates and an array of filters. Quickly edit videos and share them straight to social media. At number 2 is Parrot F7800 Anafi drone. Anafi is the new generation of drone. It is the ideal go-to solution to film stunning high-quality videos and take outstanding photos, capturing the best moments of your everyday life. This new generation of flying camera offers you the most advanced 4K HDR imaging system. Anafi is the first drone to feature a 180 degrees tilt gimbal, capturing unprecedented shots from inimitable angles, up to 2.8x lossless zoom to visualize details clearly, and 3-axis image stabilization to shoot ultra-stable videos and photos. Anafi is an ultra-portable drone that is both compact and lightweight and can be transported everywhere. The carrying case, included in the pack, protects the drone during transportation. Once out of its carry case, Anafi unfolds in less than 3 seconds. Anafi offers spectacular flight performance, letting you fly further for a longer duration. Using its cutting-edge technology, Anafi allows you to capture your best moments, anytime, anywhere. At number 1 is DJI Mavic 2 Zoom Drone with Remote Controller. The DJI Mavic 2 Zoom brings you a powerful flying platform and filmmaking image quality that completely redefines aerial photography and videography. The Mavic 2 Zoom is helping you conquer the sky. Mavic 2 has 2.3-inch 12-megapixel sensor with up to 4x zoom, including a 2x optical zoom 24 to 48mm. Mavic 2 Zoom is all about dynamic perspectives. Capture everything from wide-angle to mid-range shots. For even more creative options with professional quality image quality, you will have unparalleled aerial photography support. The DJI Mavic 2 also features upgraded flying capabilities, with a max speed of up to 58 miles per hour and 0 to 50 miles per hour in just 5 seconds. The Mavic 2 Zoom captures everything from wide-angle to mid-range shots for even more creative options. It comes equipped with the 24 to 48mm optical zoom camera for ultimate flexibility. It is constructed with a magnesium aluminum composite shell and transforming design with carbon fiber arms. This enables the quadcopter drone to be lighter, faster, and more durable. A dual battery design gives you far greater flight time, with a maximum of 27 minutes. The Mavic 2 spots obstacle sensors on all aircraft sides. Forward and downward vision systems that enable it to detect obstacles up to 30 meters ahead, so your flight is protected at a controllable attitude angle of 25 degrees. Its RTH and intelligent flight modes allow the aircraft to actively avoid obstacles in front and behind it. These are the best drones you can buy right now. We recommend you to buy at number 1 DJI Mavic 2 Zoom Drone with Remote Controller. This is the best deal in the market. Subscribe our channel and don't forget to check out the links in the description for best prices.